Hey everyone, welcome back to Coffee and Learn English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Liam. We're really happy you're here with us today. If you're new here, please subscribe and like this video.
We're here to help you practice English in an easy and fun way. Today we're learning just, only, and even.
All right, ready? Let's go. Grab a coffee and let's chat.
Straight to the point. These three words are small, but they change the meaning and the feeling of a sentence.
And when you learn them well, your English sounds more natural, more clear, and more confident.
A lot of learners use these words, but they still feel unsure.
Because they translate them directly and forget that these words are more about focus and tone.
Think of them like spotlight words.
They shine light on one part of your sentence and tell the listener what matters.
Today we'll keep it practical.
Real conversations, texting, work situations, everyday life, and a longer mini story.
You will learn what just usually does in real speaking.
You will learn how only limits meaning and why its position matters.
And you will learn how even adds surprise, emphasis, and emotion.
No fill-in-the-blank exercises.
Just natural sentences you can copy into your life.
Great. Let's start with just because it's the friendliest one.
Yes, and it's also one of the most common words in everyday spoken English.
Just has a few common meanings. The first one is time.
Just often means very recently.
I just arrived.
She just left.
We just finished lunch.
He just texted me.
They just called.
In all of these, just means a moment ago.
It connects the action to now.
Just is also used when you want to soften your message.
It makes things feel less intense and more polite.
I'm just asking.
I just want to make sure.
I was just trying to help.
I just wanted to check something.
Notice how calm these feel.
You sound friendly and not aggressive.
This is why just is common in requests.
Like when you want someone to do something, but you want to sound relaxed.
Just give me a second.
Just send it when you can.
Just tell me the truth.
Just be careful.
Another meaning of just is exactly or perfectly.
This is just what I needed.
That's just right.
That's just my point.
Great. Now let's hear just in a natural friend chat.
Listen for timing and softness.
Sorry I'm late.
No worries, I just got here too.
Really?
Yeah, I just parked.
Perfect timing then.
Exactly. I just need 1 minute to order.
Just makes that sound easy and normal.
Now let's move to only because only is more precise and more limiting.
Only is about limits.
It means no more than this, nothing else, just this one thing.
I only have 10 minutes.
She only works on weekends.
We only met once.
He only eats fish, not meat.
I only drink coffee in the morning.
Only is more factual than just.
And it can sound more strict, depending on the situation.
Compare these two.
I just have 10 minutes.
I only have 10 minutes.
The first sounds softer, like you're being friendly.
The second sounds like a boundary.
Only is very common at work because it's clear.
I can only join the first half of the meeting.
This discount is only for members.
This file is only for internal use.
Now, the big thing about only is placement.
Yes, only can change meaning depending on where it sits.
I only told her the truth.
That suggests you did nothing else besides telling her the truth.
I told only her the truth.
That suggests you told her and nobody else.
Same words, different focus.
That's why only is powerful. It points to what is limited.
Let's do a quick conversation.
A normal moment where only shows a limit.
Can you talk now?
I can, but only for a minute.
Okay, quick question.
Go ahead.
Are you free later?
Only after 6.
Clear and simple.
Great. Now we'll compare just and only more clearly because learners mix them up a lot.
Let's compare just and only.
Just can be soft. Only can be strict.
Just can be time.
Only usually needs a limit.
For example, you can say, I just finished.
But only needs more information, like I only finished the first part.
Now a common situation. You replied late to a message.
You could say, sorry, I just saw your message.
That means recently.
If you say, sorry, I only saw your message, it feels incomplete.
It sounds like you want to add a contrast.
Like, I only saw it, I didn't read it.
Exactly.
So just is natural for timing and only is natural for limits.
Another situation. You want to sound polite when asking something.
Just helps a lot.
I just wanted to ask you something.
Gentle and friendly.
I only wanted to ask you something.
That can sound defensive, like someone accused you of something.
Great. That difference matters.
Now we bring in even because even adds surprise and emotion.
Yes, even can make a sentence feel stronger without sounding rude.
Let's learn it.
Even highlights something unexpected.
It's like saying, this is surprising and I want you to notice it.
Everyone was tired, even the teacher.
I invited everyone, even my neighbor.
She understood it even without studying.
He came even after saying he wouldn't.
Even often sits right before the surprising part.
That placement creates the emphasis.
Even can also show disappointment.
He didn't even say sorry.
She didn't even look at me.
It implies you expected a basic action and it didn't happen.
Even can also show admiration.
She even offered to help me.
That feels like a pleasant surprise.
Let's do a quick friend conversation.
Listen for how even adds emotion.
Did you eat today?
Honestly, I didn't even have breakfast.
What? Not even breakfast?
I know, I just got busy and forgot.
That's not good.
I only had water and coffee.
That mix sounds very real.
Great, now we'll do side-by-side comparisons using the same base sentence.
Let's take one sentence and change just, only, and even.
Same structure, different meaning.
I just called her.
Recently.
I only called her.
Limitation. You called her and nobody else. Or you did nothing else besides calling.
I even called her.
Unexpected. Calling her was a big step or surprising.
Another one.
I just paid.
Recently.
I only paid.
That sounds like a clarification is coming.
Like, I only paid for my part.
I even paid.
That suggests it's surprising you paid. Maybe you usually don't, or someone else usually pays.
Now, an everyday moment, someone explains a mistake.
These words show attitude.
I just made a small mistake.
Calm.
I only made a small mistake.
Defensive.
I even made a mistake?
Surprised at yourself.
Now let's do another.
About effort.
I just tried to help.
Soft and emotional.
I only tried to help.
Defensive, like you want to clear your name.
I even tried to help.
Strong emphasis, like you did more than expected.
Great. Now we'll use these words inside a longer friend conversation with plans, time limits, and surprises.
That's where they appear constantly. So what's the plan today?
I want to go out, but I only have a short window.
How short?
I only have about an hour before I need to be back.
Okay, so no long trip.
Exactly. I just want something simple, like coffee and a quick walk.
That sounds perfect.
I just got a message from a friend, too.
Good news?
They said they might join us.
Might join or will join?
They said they'll try, but they're not sure.
So you're not expecting it.
Not really, but if they show up, it will be a nice surprise.
Like, even better.
Exactly.
Where should we go?
Somewhere calm. Last time was too loud.
Yeah, that place was chaotic.
There were only 2 small tables available when even those were taken.
We stood there like we were waiting for tickets.
Yes, and I didn't even enjoy my drink.
Okay, new plan. We choose a quiet place.
Yes, and I just want to sit and talk.
I can do that, but only for 40 minutes.
Deal. That's enough time.
Great. Now let's shift to a work situation because these words show up in meetings and emails constantly.
Yes, and they can change how professional you sound. Work situation. Someone asks for an update.
A manager says, "Did you finish the report?"
You can say, I just finished it.
That means recently, and it sounds positive.
You can also say, I only finished the first section.
That's a clear limit.
And you can say, I even stayed late to work on it.
That adds emphasis and effort.
Now imagine a different work moment. Someone thinks you ignored them.
You want to sound calm.
I'm not ignoring you, I just didn't see the message.
That sounds natural.
If you say, I only didn't see the message, it sounds odd.
Because only usually needs a clear contrast,
Now, imagine a surprise problem.
like a technical issue.
The system crashed.
Even the backup failed.
That sounds like the situation is serious.
And even emphasizes that it's worse than expected.
Let's do a short workplace chat.
A realistic one.
Did you send the email?
I just sent it.
Did you attach the final file?
I only attached the draft. I'm still checking the final version.
Okay,
I even asked someone to double check it.
great. Now we do quick fixes, not as a test, but as natural corrections.
Short and practical.
Quick fixes, common confusion and natural versions.
Let's keep them realistic.
Mistake. I only arrived.
Natural, I just arrived.
Because you mean recently, not a limit.
Exactly.
Mistake. I just have 5 minutes, but you want to sound strict.
Natural, I only have 5 minutes.
Mistake. I even have 5 minutes in a normal situation.
That sounds strange unless it's surprising you have time at all.
Natural context. I'm so busy today, but I even have 5 minutes to talk.
Now it works.
Mistake. I only told her the truth, but you mean nobody else.
Natural, I told only her the truth.
Or more natural in speaking, I told her the truth and only her.
Great, that sounds clear and natural.
Another one. Mistake. I only wanted to ask a question when you want to sound soft.
Natural, I just wanted to ask a quick question.
Great. Now a longer mini story like we always do.
This helps the patterns stick.
Picture a busy morning.
You wake up late.
You say, I just woke up, I'm sorry. Then you check your schedule and realize, I only have 20 minutes.
You rush out and forget something.
And later you say, I didn't even bring my wallet.
That sounds like real English. And it's because each word matches the feeling.
Great. Now we finish with the practice plan and recap in our usual format.
Exactly.
Practice plan. Simple and real.
You can do it today.
Step 1. Use just for something recent one time today.
I just got home. I just saw your message. I just finished dinner.
Step 2. Use only to set a clear limit one time today.
I can only talk for a minute. I only have 2 hours. I only need one thing.
Step 3. Use even when something surprises you one time today.
I even forgot my keys. Even the bus was late. I didn't even notice.
Notice how you're not translating these words. You're using them for meaning and feeling.
Final recap. Just often shows recent time, softness, or a calm explanation.
Only limits, restricts, and focuses the meaning.
Even adds surprise, emphasis, or strong emotion.
The more you listen for these words, the more natural your English will sound.
Because you'll start choosing them automatically.
All right, that's it for today. Thanks so much for listening. We're really happy you were here with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and like this video. Turn on the bell so you always get notified when we post a new one.
Comment. What's your biggest difficulty in English right now? And what do you want to learn next?
Grab a coffee and we'll talk again soon.